Wagwan people, I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. I just want to let you know that I have now opened the members section of my channel. So you can join and be a member. So let me first tell you why you guys can join now. If you didn't know, I like a certain quality, but quality is not cheap. One of the first things I want to do is get a new computer so I can make the live streams better for you guys. Secondly, you know, a lot of creators have been saying it, and it's true. YouTube's algorithm has really changed things up, so it's really not the same as it once was. Thirdly, and probably the most important thing, is I need more time. You know, I've gotten a lot busier over the years, and this will help me free up more time so I can make the skits that you guys love. Driving exam skits, yes, I know you guys love those ones. I'm gonna make more, don't worry. So, what do you get and what are the tiers? 3 tiers: Top Boss, Top Shatta, and Top General. So within these tiers, you get a lot of perks, a lot of benefits. Birthday shoutouts. So I will send you a customized birthday shoutout contest. So within the contest, I'll be holding raffles where only members will be entered automatically, and you can win some of my merch, like this Caribbean Love t-shirt. You'll get early viewings of my skits, especially those driving exam ones. All the new members will get shoutouts at the end of my new upcoming skits. So for those of you who have businesses, or maybe you want to promote some music or something, there is a tier where I will be shouting you out on my Instagram and YouTube. So all in all, there's a lot of perks, there's a lot of goodies, there's a lot of giveaways, you know, there's a lot of new badges. Before I get out of here, I just want to say thank you for those who have been rocking with me over the years, who have been watching my videos. Thank you to all the old subscribers. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you to everyone that has been with me. Thank you, and I will see you guys soon.